Hi, in this video we'll create an extraction template which is also called a report model to extract data from an unstructured document in Astera ReportMiner. To do so, we will create data regions and fields which can be done both manually and automatically. In this case, we have an orders report from the new Furniture Mart, a fictitious furniture store. As you can see on the designer, this file is an invoice containing details of the items ordered. We want to extract all the details of the items here. Let's see how we can use design automation features to create an extraction template. First, create a new report model using the report model option in the drop-down next to the Create New Data Flow button on the top left. Select the file we'll need to extract the data from and click Open. To be able to capture data in a report model, we need to create data regions and data fields. Data regions are the backbones of a report model. They guide ReportMiner where to extract data from in an unstructured document. Data fields are specific data points which need to be extracted within the data region. To create data regions, we can use positive and negative markers to identify the lines which need to be added to or omitted from the data region respectively. Once the data regions are identified, we can then use the Auto Create Fields option to automatically create and rename fields. This is the simplest and fastest method for creating data regions and fields in Astera ReportMiner. To auto-create a data region, click on the gray column to the left of one of the lines that is to be included in your region. A green marker will appear, which means that the line is to be included. If you click on it once more, the green marker will turn red, which means that the line is to be excluded. If you have placed the marker on the wrong line, click on it twice. It will turn red first and then will be removed. Using this method of placing markers to capture lines within a region, specify the two lines that you wish to capture. Here, let's mark lines 15 and 17 as these lines contain item details. Once the two lines are indicated, ReportMiner will automatically screen the text for a pattern and highlight the area. Your data region has now been created. Notice that a data node has been added to the model layout panel and the area within the region is highlighted in gray. Look at the pattern matching bar above the ReportMiner designer. It has used the match any digit wildcard to capture all the data fields. This is because the quantity of an item would always be a digit. So, ReportMiner matches each line of the source report with the specified pattern. Wherever a digit is found in that location, that line is made a part of the region. We will rename the region to items using the name option in the region properties panel. Click on the designer to reflect these changes. Once your data region has been created, the next step is to create data fields. Data fields show exactly what data will be extracted from the source file. As with the data region, ReportMiner can also automatically create your data fields. Right-click on your data region and select the Auto Create Fields option. Alternatively, you can also click on the Auto Create Fields option in the Region Properties panel. Notice that all the data fields have been highlighted in blue. We can edit the properties of the field, such as its name and data type, in the Field Properties panel. Let us now look at how you can create data regions manually. We start off with the same file. In the model layout section, click on the blue Add Single Data Region icon to create a new data region. A data node has been added to the model layout panel. Now, to extract lines within the data region, specify a pattern in the orange pattern bar above the designer. We can specify the pattern for this region by using a match any digit wildcard on the quantity column. As you can see, all the lines where the digit occurs in that position have turned gray, indicating that these lines are now part of the data region. Next, we'll create fields manually, but we do not need to rename all of them individually. The Auto Determine Field Names option can help us rename the fields automatically. This option can be found in the Region Properties panel or in the context menu which appears when you click on the gray area on the designer. Let's click on it and see what happens. The fields have been renamed successfully as shown in the model layout. Now, let's save the report model by clicking on the Save button in the icon bar. Provide an appropriate name and file path and click Save. Once saved, you can preview the data using the Data Preview button on top of the designer. A data preview window will open showing all the details of the items ordered, such as its name, quantity, price, etc. So this is how you can create data regions and data fields in Astera ReportMiner. Thank you for watching this video.